Okay guys, I got a video response for one of my subscribers on the Samlex RPS 1204 power supply, 13.8 volt DC, 4 to 6 amp, and basically the subscriber got one of these, and the power cord and fuse holder was removed. So he wants to take a look at my power supply to see how indeed it is hooked up, and so I figured I'd do this little video for him so we can see how he hooks up the fuse holder and whatnot as to how I've got mine done. So this is the inside of the Samlex RPS 1204. So basically what I've got done here, with mine anyhow, I've got a standard North American grounded plug put on it. Inside the cord there's a black, there's a white, and there's a green. The green wire, put a little crimp on it and it goes to the chassis. There's a bolt down here marked ground, that's where that wire goes, the green. And then you've got your white and your black left. So basically right here is your fuse holder. Okay, there's your switch. So what I've got going on here, I have on this one, the black wire comes in, and it is going to the fuse. Is it going to the fuse? Yeah, it's going to the fuse. So the fuse got it in and it's got it out. So basically we got brown or black going in, and you got red coming out, and then red goes over to the outside pin on the switch here, and then you've got your white wire, which is going to what? White wire is going to the Marriott. Marriott is going to, on the blue wire, it's connecting to the outside right here. Alright. Then you've got the transformer leads, which is these two yellow ones. One of these yellow ones connects to the center pin on the switch, and the other transformer wire is going to the outside switch, or inside switch position in here. So basically, black comes in, goes to the fuse, leaves the fuse, comes to the switch. The switch switches the power on and off via one wire here, one wire into the transformer, and the other wire just goes straight through. It's just using the switch on that side just to light the neon bulb in the inside, but it carries on through to the power cord. So the black is fused and switched, and the neutral, which is white, goes straight to the transformer. Hope that helps some. So again, three position, or standard grounded plug. Black to the fuse, fuse to outside switch, outside pin. Then one wire from your transformer goes to the center pin. The switch is actually switching that wire on or off, and white wire goes up and connects to the inside pin, and then the other wire, yellow wire from the transformer, connects to that same pin. And that's it. That's how you wire it up. So if you got any more questions, just let me know. I'll post another video on this as if you need more help. If you like to a video type of like a live stream or something like that, we can certainly do something like that if that would help. So there you go. Black the fuse, fuse the switch, switch the transformer, and white to inside pin to transformer. And that's it. Alright, hope that helps. All the best, and good luck.